Lendlalela isinqumo salo ijaji uPiet lithi vele belingakulindela ukuthi owayengumengameli uJacob Zuma agculiseke ngezinto esezenzekile selokhu laqala ukuqulwa leli cala. Lomehluleli uthi nakuba bekungesona nhlobo isinqumo esilula kodwa kudingeke ukuthi ashenxe kuleli cala.
I have come to the conclusion, and it was not an easy decision, that I have to recuse myself from the trial. It is what the sound administration of justice, the requirements of the Constitution, and my conscience dictate. The integrity of the judicial process must be protected against any reasonable taint of suspicion, so that the public and litigants may have the highest confidence in the integrity and fairness of our courts. The trial will therefore have to continue before another judge.
Ungoti wezomthetho umpumelelo zikala la uphawulile ngesinqumo sejaji uPiet.
I think it's a very progressive one. It's certainly a judge that said, I want to protect the integrity of this whole process. I do not want to be in the thick of things when things go pear-shaped. I want to protect the integrity of the process and make sure that if there are any instances of biasness that I have perceived or that could be perceived by anyone, let me recuse myself at this early stage so that you are able to make sure that the merits of this matter are the things which they should be looked at and not entirely the technicalities.
uZuma sekuyiminyaka eqiqa ezinkantolo ngaleli cala lokuthengwa kwezikhali njengoba ebhekene noqhaqho lamacala afaka phakathi inkohlakalo ngesikhathi eseyiphini likaMengameli ngo1999 yize yena ethi ubhecwa ngobende inyama engayidlanga. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC.